Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about Sketchtember today. It's almost Sketchtember. It's going to be a great one this year, just like last year. This is our 4th year of Sketchtember. I cannot wait to see what you guys create. What is Sketchtember? Let's talk about that first. Sketchtember is sketching for all of September, and I release a prompt calendar the night before, August 31st, which will be on a Sunday this year. So Sketchtember day 1 will be a Monday. So Sunday night I'll release the prompt calendar and you guys get a little heads up. And in each day on the Sketchtember calendar is a prompt, and you submit your sketch to the Sketchtember text channel on my Discord. So to join the Discord, all you gotta do is go to istebrak.com and click on the Discord icon at the top right. That'll take you straight into the public Discord. And the Sketchtember text channel will be highlighted at the top of the channel list on the left. You won't be able to post until the 1st, and all are welcome, all skill levels, all media, all styles. There's no restriction and it's completely free to participate. And at the end of the challenge, you have 30 days of sketches to look back on. And honestly, it really is. That's the reward. That's the reward that comes with it. It really does feel like a pilgrimage. You take it with you and you have this memory of your discipline and your dedication throughout the entire year. And it's also like a junction. You get to see where your skill is and how much you've learned and how much you've improved in the past year. And you can compare it to the previous year's sketches, and there's just so much that comes out of Sketchtember, both in self-reflection and in portfolio building. You also have a sense of community as well. You feel like you really get to know everyone who's also participating alongside you. It's very motivational to see everybody post every single day, and that also motivates you to post every single day. And they don't have to be super fleshed out sketches. They can be very simple sketches. They can be messy sketches. They can be clean line art. They can be done in ink. They can be done traditionally or digitally. It's all up to you how you want to work on your Sketchtember sketches. And if you can't do all 30 days, that's okay as well. There's no penalty. And all the people that participate usually stick around in the Discord, and we see them year-round chatting with us. You make new friends. It's like the heartbeat of the community, really. Sketchtember feels like it's what makes our connection as a community even stronger. I feel like that's really coming to light more now that we're on our 4th year, and I hope to host this indefinitely. It's such a grounding challenge. It's so fun. It teaches you a lot about your process. It teaches you a lot about yourself. I am currently building the calendar, and I'm on prompt number 20 or so, and I hope to give you guys really good inspiring prompts this year. So if you want to participate this year, you just have to go to my Discord channel and wait for that Sketchtember wall to be posted, pinned at the top of the text channel list, and it will be open for participation on the 31st of August. And I hope you guys have fun with it this year. I cannot wait to see what you guys sketch. I'm also really interested in my own personal journey. Am I going to be a bit more courageous with my prompts? Am I going to be a little bit more loose with my lines? Am I going to try painting instead of sketching? It's a really cool way to discover and explore yourself, explore your skill, explore your mind, and just be inspired by the change of the season. It really is my favorite time of year. The changing of the colors, something about it, something in the air changes your attitude towards your art. Something about the change of the season inspires the inner writer, the inner painter. The short days of the year, the days shortening. I know that some of you may be in Australia and the lower southern hemisphere, so you might have an exchange of seasons. But for us in the north, it really does make us feel like it's time to go back to the hearth. It's time to go back to the candle and the working desk, and it's time to build your skill all season long, to nest and to collect yourself and to look back at the summer and all of your achievements. I know that's what I'm going to be doing, and this summer has been filled with construction, has been filled with all kinds of projects since the equinox, really. I have just been working nonstop, and I can't wait to get back to my working desk and back to a full course load for classes once the October semester starts. Something about it really makes me feel at home as an artist, and I think Sketchtember embodies all of that, like this gate we pass through that teaches us how to be artists again, teaches me how to just sit down and sketch again and live in my sketches instead of living outside in my garden, and all of these external exercises that I've been doing outside of my office, outside of my studio. I get to go back in the studio, and the days are shorter, the nights are longer, the wind is cooler, and it's just like an invitation to move back into a more creative version of yourself that is excited to be with you again. So let me know who's going to be joining. Are you guys going to be participating? Again, you don't have to do all 30 days. If you do 5 days, that's 5 sketches that you now have to look back on, to add to your portfolio, to enjoy, to flesh out, to maybe even turn into illustrations. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or requests for certain types of prompts that you want to see more of. I try to keep them balanced between character, environment, object, but if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'll see you guys in my Discord, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.